Hello, grade 6 Pastor and Fahrenheit. How are you today? I hope you are in a good condition. Today we will review about solar system. Okay, let's start.
The solar system is made up of the Sun, the 8 planets, and the other celestial bodies that orbit around it. Our solar system is believed to have been formed over 4 billion years ago. The solar system consists of the Sun and the planets that orbit around. It also includes asteroids and the planet's moon. The solar system consisting of the Sun and 8 planets. In the solar system, each object forces the gravity force on the other objects. Gravity is a force of attraction between objects. The Sun is the biggest and heaviest object in our solar system, and so it exerts the greatest force of gravity on all the planets. This force of gravity makes all the planets move in circles around the Sun. The names of the planets in our solar system are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Mercury is the planet closest to the Sun, and Neptune is the planet furthest from the Sun. Because Earth rotates on its axis from west to east, the Moon and the Sun and all other celestial objects appear to move from east to west across the sky. Viewed from above, however, the Moon orbits Earth in the same direction as our planet rotates. The period it takes the Earth to rotate about its axis is called a day, or 24 hours. The planet Earth orbits around the Sun is 365.25 days, and we call that 1 year. As Earth moves to new position around the Sun, we have 4 seasons: summer, autumn, winter, and spring, and then summer comes again. The orbit of the Moon around the Earth is not easy process. The Moon makes a complete orbit around the Earth approximately once every 28 days. Now, in space, the Earth keeps on going around the Sun and more than 100,000 kilometers every hour. However, there is no string pulling on the Earth. So, what keeps it moving? The force of gravity pulls the Sun and the Earth toward each other. A leap year is a calendar year that contains an additional day added to keep the calendar year synchronized with the astronomical year. Leap year have 366 days. There is no string in space between Earth and the Sun. The Earth would move away, but the Sun traps the Earth with the much greater force of the gravity. The Sun pulls on the Earth, and the Earth pulls on the Sun with the force of gravity. The pull is so strong that it works at a distance of 150 million kilometers. Like the string, force of gravity keeps the Earth moving in its orbit around the Sun, year after year. A lunar eclipse will happen when the Earth passes between the Moon and the Sun. This generally happens during the full moon phase, and it can be observed almost everywhere on Earth. A lunar eclipse can also last for a few hours. A solar eclipse happens when the moon passes between the Earth and the Sun. In most cases, this will happen during the moon phase. Unlike the lunar eclipse, a solar eclipse only lasts for a few minutes.
Vocabularies: solar system, tata surya, celestial bodies, benda langit, orbit, orbit atau lintasan, gravity, gaya gravitasi, attraction, gaya tarik, west to east, barat ke timur. Leap year, tahun kabisat. Lunar eclipse, gerhana bulan. Solar eclipse, gerhana matahari.